In this new episode of our Solidity programming tutorial series, we will learn to read and write data on the blockchain in Solidity programming language. We will write a Solidity program which will read the balance of a user from the blockchain and add balance as well. So let's dive into it. First of all, we would need to have few variables, so we can park our data values into them. We will be writing a program with two functions. One function will read user balance from the blockchain and the other will write or update the balance. So let's write the code. As you can see, I have basic smart contract structure in place. Our code will be written inside the contract's parenthesis. Let's start by declaring our variables. Our first variable will be current balance, which will store, as the name indicates, the current balance of the user. The second variable will be previous balance, to store the balance which the user had before adding more amount. Now let's write our function to add balance first. This function will take one parameter of type uint. It will be a public function, because we want it to be called by the public. Inside the function, first of all, we will take the current user balance and store it into the previous balance variable, before we add the new amount provided by the user in function call parameter. After that, we will take the current balance of the user, add it with the new provided user amount and store it into the current balance variable. Our add balance function is completed. Now let's write getBalance function to read the user current balance. This function will also be a public function, and since we are just reading a value and not changing or writing something, we will declare it as a view. Next, we will provide the return data type which we expect this function to return. As you can guess it, we are expecting an integer data type. Because we know that balance is an integer value, right? Inside the function, we simply return the value of current balance variable. Our program is completed now and ready to be compiled. So let's compile it and run it to see how it works. First, let's add some balance. I am adding 4,000. Now let's call the getBalance function. Great! It's working perfectly. So today we have learned how we can read and write data to blockchain with Solidity programming language. In the next tutorial, we will learn a very important data type called mapping. Mapping data type is widely used in blockchain programming and is a very important data structure to store data inside blockchain. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.